ating Baguio boy na senador, si Robin Hood Padilla, ay merong napakagandang bill na hinain last week. At ito ay to fulfill the 1987 constitutional mandate to prohibit political dynasties in the country. Senate Bill number 2730 is of the belief that now is the time to break the barriers that prevent the best and the brightest from serving the Filipino people. This is an offshoot of the bills earlier on filed by Senator Miriam Santiago na hindi nakayanan kasi halos lahat ng mga kasama niya sa Senado at sa Kongreso dynasty. And this is a brave attempt by Senator Padilla to pass this political dynasty law. Ang sabi niya, political dynasties have exhausted resources to attain an economic and political dominance while at the same time compromising political competition and undermining accountability. At ang important provision ng SB number 2730 sabi, no spouse or person related within the fourth degree of consanguinity or affinity, whether legitimate or illegitimate, full or half-blood, to an incumbent elected official seeking re-election shall be allowed to hold or run for any elective office in the same city or province or any party list in the same election. No person who has a political dynasty relationship to the incumbent shall immediately succeed to the position of the latter. So hindi na po pwedeng ipasa sa asawa, sa anak, sa apo ang political elective position. Ito ang ibig sabihin ng Senate Bill number 2730 ni Senator Padilla.